So these are brake pads I got them from O'Reilly's. They're gonna be a direct replacement. I already I hadn't opened them, so that's why I got the paper all crumbled up. But these are your stock replacement brake pads. You got the sensor, you got your bolts, and your other two for the other side. So let me go ahead and show you what tools you guys are gonna need for the job. First tool you're gonna use is this one. Okay, make sure you have one. 17mm wrench and a 13mm wrench as well. Go ahead and loosen up the top bolt. Remember, ready, tidy, loosey. You see that spinning right there? This one? See it? That's why you need your 17. Just to hold that in place so it doesn't keep rotating on you. Take that out. This one's gonna be right below it. So you go ahead and over here. Now, so people use screwdrivers here. It seems kind of sketchy. So just push it out. You should be able to push it right out. The old one. Yeah, big difference, you can tell right away. So make sure to always check your rotors so you have no issues with it. And now go ahead and pull off the next one. It should pop right in like that. Get your little tool. Make sure to pop the hood open. Make sure you pop your brake fluid cap off. Always pop it off. Place the brake pad right there. You turn that. Alright. You set that in there and you start turning. Start turning right. Alright, it looks like you're all the way compressed in. So go ahead and loosen up the tool. The piston's not gonna come back, so you're good. Take off the tool, throw it away. No, I'm just kidding, put it away. Take off that brake pad, and then you're pretty much ready to assemble the whole brake system again. You know, throw your hardware in, depending on which one you're gonna use, either the old or the new. So just go ahead and place it. I would do the top one first because it's easier. It wouldn't put it's not gonna put so much tension on the other one. Don't tighten it up all the way right away. Tighten it up after you have the second one in. Go ahead and grab your tools again. Grab your 13 and your 17mm, and go ahead and tighten them up. And your brake pads on the driver's side are pretty much done. Your brake pads on the driver's side are done. Go ahead and repeat the process. I'm going to go ahead and throw the wheel back on, tighten up the lug nuts, and go ahead and start on the other side. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and if you have any suggestions as to what kind of video you want to see next, go ahead and drop a comment down below. And if you have any questions about the brakes or anything like that, go ahead and throw them down below, and I'll go ahead and do my best to answer your questions. I hope you have a great day, and see you on the next one.